So heat treating today, I'm going to walk through the processes of that as I go along, and I'm going to get after it. All right, going to set this oven real quick. So we're setting this up for a 1725 degree hold, ramp up to 1900 and hold for 20, and then going to plate quench. All right, so that's it. That's gone through wrapping, heat treat. Now they're in the temper oven, and they'll go through 2 cycles at 1 hour. After that, they're gonna be ready to finish grinding, put handles on, and more videos to come.